Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the today's Good Morning Assembly. And first of all, national news. PM Modi arrived in Gujarat on a 3-day visit. India EU discussed efforts to accelerate FTA talks. Registration for Rs 2,500 monthly scheme for Delhi women to begin on March 8. New education policy won't impose Hindi, Union Minister Amit. And now international news. UK, France and Ukraine agreed to work on ceasefire plan for Russia's war in Ukraine. Israel said stopping entry of all aid supplies into Gaza Strip. White House raw with Ukraine raised stakes for European summit in London. Trump signed order designated English as official language of the US. NATO's Rutte urged Zelensky to mend his relationship with Trump. And now some sports news. Champions Trophy, India defeated New Zealand by 44 runs, advanced to semi-finals. Magnus Carlsen and famous Jeans Gate denim sold for Rs 31 lakh rupees at auction. Krishna Jayasankar 22 threw shot put at 16.03 sets Indian indoor record with a bronze at Albuquerque. And now news related to business. Court ordered FIR against ex-SEBI chief Madhabi Puri booked 5 others. First engine from Railways new loco plant likely to be launched in April. And SEBI to challenge court order on alleged listing permission irregularities. And that's all in news. Thank you.